here we will create a program in Python for search engine. Working in search engine, watch your back Google. The given code takes a text and a word as input and passes them to the function called search. The search function should return a word found if the word is present in the text, or word not found if it's not found. Okay, and there is samples. So we here I wrote this function, which is search. It starts with def, and I created two variables, I and j, and then I another two variables x and y. X will include the length of the text, and y includes the length of the word size, yani. And here I started to do while loops, the outer loop for the sentence or the sentences, and the inner loop for the word which I searched for. And then I created if statements to check with the first letter in the word with the first letter in the text or the sentence, and if it's okay, it's found, so I will increase both by 1, j and I, which are the index of the word and the text. And if it's not found, it's not equal, so I will increase just the index of the sentence of the or the statement. And then if it's okay, j equals y, which is the last element, the length of the word, so it will return the word found. If not, it will be return. So let's run. Now there is word found, but expected word not found. So here we will put return instead of print. Okay, this is our error. We correct it and run again. Word found also, but it should show us word not found because it's else. So j equals y.
لو صعد مصر الجماعه دلوقتي قلت لك على المشاكل اللي احنا عايشين فيها والحواديت الجرس
الاف
والله العظيم يقلبوها بوظه طب ما بيفرقش حاجه معايا الميس على المسار
j not equal y not equal y. Run. Word is found. So it should not equal because it's not found. So